Hello and welcome to this session to feel the power of love. Love is all around you, but it also comes from within. Find a place where you can easily ignore the outside world for the duration of this session, making sure you will not be disturbed. Please get into a very comfortable position. Gently closing your eyes at any time. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale and allow all of your muscles to let go. Breathe in deeply. Notice how your body expands. And breathe out, falling deeper into relaxation. Inhale as much as you can, filling with air. And exhale any tension or stress. On the next inhale, bring into your mind someone you love. It could be a friend, a pet, or a loved one. Imagine this person with clarity right now. And notice in your body where you feel any sensations of love. Breathe in deeply, noticing the quality of the changes in your body when you think of this individual. Where exactly do you feel love rise in your body? Do you feel love in your heart and chest? Or maybe you feel love in your abdomen, like you just ate your favorite food. Whatever you are feeling, accept it. And let it expand. Imagine that this loved one is supporting you. Feel the sensations of love grow in your body, deeply relaxing you. Filling you with joy. Extend gratitude for this person right now. See yourself saying thank you to them with authentic emotion from deep within you. Be grateful for this love that you are experiencing. Good. Breathe in and out, letting each breath fill you with love. In and out. In and out. Relaxing. Begin to think about something you love, such as your house or town, maybe even your car or a musical instrument. Clothing or food. Notice in your body where you feel any sensations when you imagine these objects. Extend gratitude for all these material things, feeling appreciation for having them in your life. Great. Now, bring into your mind the thought of a huge mirror with a beautiful wooden frame. You can see your entire reflection in the mirror. The reflection represents you in your most pure form of love. Notice what you look like. How are you holding yourself? Breathe in deeply and see your reflection saying back to you, "I love you." You have made it through all the difficult moments. You have enjoyed all of the wonderful moments. You deserve to fully love yourself. Smile and say to your reflection, "I love you so much." Feel in your body the power of these words. love you. What do you notice? Now, take this amazing sensation of love and visualize that you can send it out to your community. Your city, your country, and even the entire world. The power of love is endless and accessible at any time. All you need to do is be grateful and extend love to yourself and others. You are helping the world become a better place for all by loving yourself, your friends, and even those around the world you may never meet. Send them all your authentic love. Gently begin to rise from this meditation, becoming aware of the present moment and your current surroundings. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes and see the love that surrounds you. And I love you.